The Voice of the People Party (VPP) is yet to receive an invitation from Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for discussions on the sacking of the Meghalaya Lokayukta officials. VPP President Arden Miller Basayomoit recalled that Law Minister Amperin Lyngdoh had promised to set up a time with the Chief Minister for them to meet. "We are awaiting the invitation to meet with this CM," he said. The Chief Minister and previously stated that the government is willing to talk about the Meghalaya Lokayukta issue and that anyone is welcome to meet with him at any time. The VPP had earlier called off its protest to demand the immediate reinstatement of the sacked Lokayukta officials after the state government promised to discuss the issue with the party.
Iap kumba Nagaland Menteri kepada peknya kata an kalakren bahkan sa penbetnya kata kesni ringkat uci masa bikin khot ini apa kata kor kepada bikin khot. Akhirnya kampadan penunu berjumpa Nagaland ke Sorka.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi